Are you tired of constantly searching for that one kitchen tool buried in a sea of clutter? Do you find yourself struggling to keep your workspace organized and efficient while juggling a busy schedule? Well, fear not, because today we are here to share with you some top kitchen organization hacks that will revolutionize the way you work in the heart of your home. First up, let's talk about decluttering. It's time to say goodbye to all those unnecessary gadgets and appliances that are taking up valuable space in your kitchen. Take a good look at your tools and utensils and ask yourself, do I really need this? If the answer is no, then it's time to let it go. By decluttering your kitchen and getting rid of the excess, you'll be amazed at how much more space you have to work with. Next, let's talk about storage solutions. One of the key elements of a well-organized kitchen is having a designated spot for everything. Invest in some clear storage containers and label them accordingly. This will not only make it easier for you to find what you need quickly, but also help you keep track of your inventory. Utilize drawer dividers and shelf organizers to maximize your storage space and keep everything neat and tidy. Now let's move on to practical tips for staying organized. One of the best ways to optimize your kitchen space is to group similar items together. For example, keep all your baking supplies in one area, your spices in another, and your pots and pans in a designated cabinet. This will not only make it easier for you to find what you need, but also streamline your cooking process. Another great tip is to utilize vertical space. Install hooks or racks on the walls to hang pots, pans, and utensils. This will free up valuable drawer and cabinet space and make it easier for you to access your tools while cooking. You can also install a pegboard on the wall to hang your most frequently used items for easy access. Lastly, don't forget to regularly clean and organize your kitchen. Set aside some time each week to go through your cabinets and drawers, declutter, and reorganize as needed. By staying on top of your organization, you'll save time in the long run and make cooking a much more enjoyable experience. So there you have it. Some top kitchen organization hacks designed specifically for busy chefs like yourself. By decluttering, utilizing clever storage solutions, and implementing practical tips, you'll be able to save time, stay organized, and upgrade your kitchen game in no time. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video now and take your kitchen organization to the next level. Your future self will thank you.